Greetings and welcome, full of shalom. We are looking at a lost Psalm of Dovid, which is Tehilliym 51 in the Cepher. A thanksgiving of Dovid. I was the youngest among my brethren, and a youth in my father's house. I used to feed my father's flock, and I found a lion and a wolf, and slew them and rent them. My hands made a flute, and my fingers fashioned a harp. Who will show me my Adonai? He is Adonai, is become my Elohiym. He sent his angel and took me away from my father's flock, and anointed me with the oil of anointing. My brethren, the fair and the tall, in them Yahuah had no pleasure. And I went forth to meet the Pelishtiy, and he cursed me by his idols. But I drew his sword and cut off his head, and took away the reproach from the children of Yashar'el. Thank you for joining us. Share and like if you found this interesting and intriguing, and we will see you right in the next video. Ooh!